Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to install Facebook Lite on an Android phone. Alright, if you find this video helpful, please leave a like and subscribe to the channel for more such tutorials. So first up, just gotta find a Play Store, okay? Tap on it. Now, if it's your first time using Play Store, it will ask you to sign in with your Google account. So just go ahead and sign in. And once done, you'll be landed to your Play Store dashboard. Now in here, just use the search function. Just tap on it. Now tap on the search bar right here at the top. Now just start typing Facebook Lite, okay? Once done, just hit on find, wait for the results to load, and in here we have Facebook Lite, okay? To install it, you have two options. Just basically tap on install right here, or tap on Facebook Lite, and you'll be able to see an install button as well, all right? So just tap on it, wait for the process to finish, okay? As you can see here, it's only 2.78 MB as of recording right here, August 23, 2025. All right, as you can see here, it's installing now. And once done, just hit on open and wait for it to load. Okay, once it loads, it will just ask you to sign in. So just basically sign in. Okay, for example, this account right here, just go ahead and sign in, and once done, you're good to go. Well, I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.